One of the most critical things that you'll have to learn how to do at the start of a differential equations learning experience is how to tell the difference between what's an algebraic equation and what's a differential equation. So up to this point in your mathematical life, probably all of the equations you've seen, or almost all, have been algebraic. And now you need to start understanding what a differential equation is. So let's try to make this really concrete for you. 3x plus 4 equals 19. That's an algebraic equation, right? It's an equation where the unknown thing is the x, and it's a quantity that you're trying to discover by solving that equation. So the unknown is, in this case, a single quantity. These are algebraic equations. 2x plus y equals 5, 4x minus y equals 7, right? So now there's two of them, so there's two unknowns, x and y, but the point is they're both still just single quantities. Each unknown is a single quantity. Here's a differential equation. How do you know it's a differential equation? You see a derivative in it. And what a differential equation is an equation for an unknown function, okay, an unknown function in terms of its derivatives and possibly other things as well, right? So here the unknown thing is y, but here y is a function. And so the thing you have to discover isn't just a single quantity, but it's a whole function that you're trying to find out. So again, this is what I want you to think about from the very start. Differential equations, equations for unknown functions in terms of their derivatives. Sometimes you'll see this notation used for a derivative, like a prime, but it still means a derivative, so this is still a differential equation for the unknown function p. And that's what you have to discover, is what is that unknown function? Here's another example. These are also differential equations, but now they're appearing in a system that's coupled together. So there's some rule for the derivative of r in terms of r and s. There's some rule for the derivative of s in terms of r and s, and you have to discover what are the unknown functions r and s. Okay, so that's the main idea. I just want you to be able to look at an equation and recognize, is it an algebraic equation where the unknown is just a quantity or several quantities? Or is it a differential equation where the unknown is a function or several functions?